LBC have just pulled into the yard. This is the company that is going to help us get rid of the annoying graffiti. This is Conan from LBC. They've come down and they are going to help us try and get rid of this graffiti. But I think they have to do a bit of trial and error. At the same time as they want to take off the graffiti, I don't think that they want to destroy my lovely banner.
So we're doing a little sample graffiti removal on the vinyl. We're just a bit concerned that when we try and take the graffiti paint off, it's going to affect the colouring on the vinyl. We're going to heat up the water. You can hear the burner in the background heating the water. We're going to get it nice and hot. So it's going to be steam, because graffiti removal works best with hot water and steam. So as expected, we can see that the steam cleaning method is not going to be the right method, because it's going to end up damaging the vinyl more. It's taking off some of the other colouring and it's not doing a great job taking off the graffiti. So we're going to go for the graffiti wipes.
While I'm standing here gassing about my gym, work is going underway. And it looks like my sign is being cleaned relatively easy, which is making me feel embarrassed, because I tried everything I could and the man is cleaning it within 10 seconds. Big up to LBC.
So we're in the Ashville yard, taking off the graffiti. We weren't sure whether or not we'd be able to get it off, because we've done lots of graffiti removal from stone, brick, concrete, etc., but never before from a printed vinyl banner. So I'm really happy that this is coming off, and I'm happy that Daniel's happy with the job.
So this man's name is Gabriel. So the angel Gabriel has come to save us. As soon as he got here, I asked the question. I said, are you Gabriel or are you Gabby? He said, I am Gabriel. So we're going to respect his wishes, because I'm not a Dan and I'm not a Danny. I'm a Daniel, and I like it when people address me correctly. I'm not going to tell you how they're doing it. I'm not going to give away their trade secrets. So you'll have to call them and get them to remove your graffiti to find out. My beautiful banner has been restored to its former glory. I'm very thankful. Thank you to LBC. All of you can now stop writing in the comments about the graffiti on my banner. Thank you, mate.
Man, you're a big inspiration.
We're trying, mate. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.